Hey, what is up, guys? It's Blue, and today we're being raided. Yeah, our base is being raided. That's why I'm in a different base. I'm trying to kill the raider, but he just killed me so many times. That's why I'm trying to vid so that you'll see. So let's get started. So you can see I've been killed a lot of times. That's why I'm only wearing iron armor. So let's home. So you can see there he is. You can see him there. This is what happened to our my base, to our faction base. Yeah, that's what happened. So you can see I'm just crouching so that they won't know that I'm here, because if they know, they'll kill me again. That's why let's just sneak. I'm trying. There is, as you can see, there is the raider. Let's go here. There go. You can see I just uploaded a video, I think an hour ago. That's why I recorded again, because I want you guys to see that I'm trying to fight for my faction. Yeah. And if you want to join the faction server, I'll be leaving the address and IP below in the description box. Yes. So you can see our base is being raided. Let's set home here. So slash set home 7 slash set home. Let's just say Y. There you go. I hate that. But I know that infection being rated one of the game, because I just rated people a lot of times now. Next time when I uploaded the video, I think I'll be in a different base, because I think I'll make another base, because Jack Knight Horror already know the game, the base that we're in. It's home here. So let's see. I just wanted to kill him. There's Girly Gamer. Girly, help. I'll try asking for help. There he is. Hope he didn't see me. Let's see. Die. I died. I died. That's why I'm trying to ask for help. Let's see. What just happened there? So let's see. Girly, please help. Please help. Is she online? Let's see. Nope, she's not online. So that's it. I'll try my best to fight this raider. So hope you guys enjoy. If you did, please leave a big fat thumbs up, and whew, I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe!